I wanted to come on and show you a very simple method to make a magic circle. Grab your yarn, hold it, go across these 3 fingers, and you're going to flip your hand over and cross it. Grab the outer yarn, pull this through, go back over, grab, and pull it through. At this point, you would grab your yarn with 2 hands. I normally loop my hand through and grab the yarn as I am crocheting, just to keep control of it. Right, and so you continue, but this is the loose end that you can close the yarn when you get to the very end. Okay, so let's look at that again. Take your yarn, cross it over your fingers, hold it with your thumb, and then you're going to take the end of the yarn and cross it through these 3 fingers, flip your hand over and make an X. When you make an X, take your pinky and then you're going to grab both strands of yarn. Grab the outer loop, pull the inner loop, cross it over, go back over and grab that inner loop and pull it through. Okay. At this point, you would normally stitch, and this is where you can begin to double crochet. This end, loose end, is how you're going to close your loop. That's it. It's the magic circle.